Okay, guys. Good morning. Yes, good morning. First thing first, National Trading Service, Design and Manufacturing Industrial Center. Um, my technical my technical sheet is 25577A5 Architectural Drawing. Apprentice, I am Nicolas Vega. My teacher is Diego Flores. Evidence 1. This is the front page. No more, no more. Today is Friday, 26th August 2022. Okay, next. Now, let's start. That is me. Yes, that is me. Yes, yes. He's. No, I am very handsome. That is me. Yes, that's me. Okay. Okay, it's a joke. My name is Nicolas Vega. I'm from Bucaramanga, Colombia. I'm 20 years old. My phone number is 31839599426. Yes, that is my phone number. Now, my email address is Nicolas is 0205 Vega at gmail.com. My hobbies are like playing soccer, like I like what else? Playing basketball, playing tennis, playing. I like to play. I like playing table tennis. I like swimming. Yes, many others, many others. I like watch movies, many movies and series. Oh, my favorite series is Stranger Things. Yes, Stranger Things. Yes, it's very nice. Very nice. Nice. I like hanging out with my friends sometimes. Yes, sometimes on the weekends. Yes, the weekends. I like eating all the time, and that's it. My no, my favorite food is lasagna. Lasagna. Yes, or hamburger, or pizza, or hot dog, or a lot of food. Yeah. And that's it. I think. Yes, I think. And I'm studying at Tena in Florida Blanca. Yes. That is me. Okay. Yes, it's me. No, no. Okay, no. Sorry. Next. Now, my mom. She's my mom. Yes. She's player video game. Play the how do you say player playing so game. Uh, Gamer mom. Yes, I think gamer mom. Uh, as as they see, sorry, as they can see, yes, she's my mom. Her name is Yolanda Almeida. She's from Bucaramanga, Colombian, like me. Her age is 58 years old. Her phone number is 31 315398. 9448. She has an email. She used the email of my dad. Yes, of my dad, of my father. And she likes to watch a lot of movies, a lot of movies. Many, many, many movies. Like me, yes, like me. She likes to travel and to enjoy life. Yes, she she enjoy life. She enjoy life. His life, her life. Sorry, her life. She's housewife. But now she and my family from Bucaramanga, they have a tourist place. Okay, and me too. All in general. All in general, and my mom is so beautiful. So beautiful. Yes. Next. And finally, my perfect part. He's my uncle. Yes, he's my uncle. He's bald. He's bald. Yes, he's bald. His name is Jose Luis. Yes, he's from Bucaramanga, Colombian, like us. He's 54 years old. Uh, his email, uh, his email is, I don't know, no idea. Yes, no idea. I haven't. I haven't it. I don't know. Yes, I don't know. He likes to work in our farm. He always work in that. Yes, in that. And all the time. And on the weekend, he helps us in the tourist place. Yes, in the tourist place. And that's it. He's my uncle. It's very handsome. As you can see, as no, sorry. Yes, you can see, you can see. He's bald. He's bald. He's an actor. Okay, no, it's a joke. Sorry, it's a joke. Uh, all right, all right. That's it. This is my presentation, and my two parent and my two, sorry. How do you say? Um, Family. Yes, my uncle and my mom. That's it. Okay, bye. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Bye, 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 bye.